Okay, welcome back. Let's see if we can take this the rest of the way. There we go. Get out this mounting bolt. It's nice it came with this. And oh, I heard from the seller, if you've been following the comments, this was not power washed. The previous owner before the seller, the qt50 was found by a river. I don't know if somebody had abandoned it there or what, but that explains the moisture. And I kind of cheated. I took the oil pump out already, and you can kind of see where it was a mess there. But the way I did it, it did not want to budge. There's two screws holding it in, and then I just, this will go further in, but I just kind of took a screwdriver and tapped it with a rubber mallet and pushed it all the way out. So that's how I got that out. And then on the other side, there's, let's see here, 1, 2, and let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws holding the case halves together, and I took those out, and they all came out without too much of a struggle. However, these intake screws are fighting me, and so I've got to locate my impact drivers. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to turn this off a second until I can locate those. Okay, impact driver located. That one's I got loose. This I got 1 out of 4 loose. Let me find something else. Hold on. Good. Okay, it's submitted. It was a battle. Good. It smells like gas, not water. Not river water anyways. And again, I've always, well, not always, but Lately, I've professed that this is just a child's toy of an intake. This is a replica, a miniature replica of what an intake should be. And we got a little water on the reeds and some gunk. No big deal. And then, what did I do? Let's grab this. Take off those. See what we got inside. Yeah, I bet you the cylinder's frozen on too, right? I don't know if you can see in there, but we got a bit of rust. So yeah, it might have been frozen at one time. Well, what do you know? We seem to have some movement. But, all right, cylinder is off. Head gasket is off. So yeah, you can see where it was, well, you might not be able to see, but there's definitely a line where the piston was resting, and then you know, we got all kinds of mess. But let's see. Nothing that can't be repaired. Actually, you know, I don't see any major scoring or anything. Put that there. And then I'm sure the wrist pin is probably frozen on there, but one down. Two down. Let me find something real quick. Well, we'll try this, but I don't think it's going to work. Yeah, we've got movement. A little bit of movement. There it is. Normally I might be able to push it through with this. Yeah. These screwdriver bits are just the right width to kind of drive those through. So let's remove. It'll allow me. Yeah, it might not allow me. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, not quite. I'll push it through a little further. Okay, I got to get like my parts out of the way. Clean off this thing. There we go. A little bit of rust on the studs. Piston's got, oh yeah, they seized it good on the bottom there. Look at that. Alright, so put that in the scrap metal pile along with that wrist pin, wherever it might be now. And then see here. What's this? What's holding it together? Anything? Sometimes. There's the wrist pin. Let's get rid of that. Slowly. There she goes. Alright, one half. Here's our collar on the crank. The right side bearing doesn't look as horrible as I thought it would. I thought I'd find a bit of rust. Actually, that's not bad at all. But that's going. Goodbye. And then, now we can try to get the crank out. Doesn't look like it's even moving. Alright, let's give it a try. Shouldn't take too much. There it goes. Just have a soft landing spot if necessary. I tell you, man, this press kicks ass. I mean, good Lord, how do you do some of this stuff without a press, you know? Took the bearing right out. And we didn't fall through. So there's the crank. Just got to get that bearing off. And I've got a bearing puller tool if necessary. You can see that line of rust where that stator froze on there. Stator. But seems all right. Not too terrible, but the bearing's going. And I guess we can just take a socket and get that other bearing out. Let's see. There we go. And that one doesn't look as terrible as I thought it would, but it's going. Alright, there you go it. There you go it. There you have it. QT50 engine teardown. Done. Thanks for watching.